world where inefficiencies plague productivity, businesses often find themselves stuck. Manual processes consume valuable time, and data overload hinders decisions. Introducing the AI-powered Cognitive Workplace Hub, a groundbreaking solution redefining productivity through innovative technologies. This hub doesn't just solve problems, it anticipates them, analyzing behavior and predicting inefficiencies, all autonomously. Every business faces persistent challenges. 1. Manual tasks steal time. 2. Data overwhelms instead of empowering. 3. Collaboration breaks down. This hub uses Azure OpenAI to learn and adapt. It identifies patterns, predicts outcomes, and customizes workflows for each user. Unlike traditional workflows, this hub autonomously creates and optimizes automations, adapting as business needs evolve. With Power BI, the hub surfaces only critical insights tailored to user roles. Predictive analytics identify risks and opportunities. Conflicts in workflows are resolved autonomously, ensuring seamless collaboration. Offline edits are merged intelligently. The hub includes a Power Virtual Agent, enabling users to create workflows and resolve queries through natural language. This hub delivers unprecedented efficiency, smarter decisions, seamless collaboration, and future-proof innovation. This isn't just a solution, it's a product of deep expertise and innovation. Learn more about this solution in the